Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by signing into a Microsoft account. If you don't have one, create and verify it now because verification unlocks full rewards access. Next, enroll in Microsoft Rewards from the Rewards landing page and accept terms. This registers your account for earning. Make sure your region and language settings match your actual location so search and offer availability behave predictably. Once done, enable personalization and keep a browser signed in. These quick setup steps let you immediately start collecting points from searches and activities. You now focus on the routine actions that generate steady points. Use Bing as your default search on desktop and mobile. Set it as homepage so searches are habitual. Complete the daily sets, quizzes, and surveys listed on the rewards dashboard because they stack and often include bonuses. Use Microsoft Edge for additional tasks and link services like Xbox or Office subscriptions to capture recurring point opportunities. Also, shop the Microsoft Store when purchases are planned to convert spending into extra points. This is how small habits scale. When you've accumulated enough points, redeem them for gift cards, sweepstakes entries, or charitable donations. Always review the point cost and delivery method before confirming. Once you redeem, keep an eye on your activity history to confirm points posted correctly, and remember that some credits take 24 to 48 hours to appear after surveys or purchases. If something goes wrong, gather screenshots of receipts or activity entries and contact Microsoft Rewards support. Explain precisely which action failed and include timestamps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.